Domestic violence in Queensland is governed by one piece of legislation. That's the Domestic and Family Violence Protection Act. This piece of legislation is interpreted and applied really strictly by both the courts and the prosecution. Reason being is that domestic violence related offences and applications for domestic violence orders have increased significantly since around 2016, 2017, and more so in recent years. With domestic violence applications, there's two types of applications. So one's a private application, one is a police application. The main difference between these two types of applications is the fact that when it's a police application, your ability to negotiate that application against you is hindered in the sense that police take a strict view of domestic violence, and once they put an application in place, they then become a party to those proceedings. It's really important that if you have an application for a domestic violence order put in place against you, that you look to get some legal advice in the early stages. Reason being is that an application for a domestic violence order, it can impact you in other areas of your life. So in family law proceedings, whether you have ongoing family law proceedings or there's potential for any future family law proceedings, having a domestic violence order in place against you can impact you in those proceedings. So you want to make sure the steps that you are taking in your domestic violence matter aren't impacting you negatively in any future family law proceedings. It's also really important that you get some advice because a domestic violence order can impact you in any ongoing or future criminal proceedings as well, to the extent that if you get charged with a future criminal offence, the fact that you have a domestic violence order in place against you can be used to go towards your character in that criminal law proceeding. So it's really important that you look to get some legal advice at the early stages because there's significant ripple effects in terms of how that can impact you.